office is functioning, right?
The
We are
Shillong campus also
correct.
functioning.
Office is functioning from the DRTNX in
Okay.
Shillong, but however, for the complete office, we are looking for the space now. Yeah, if you have the land, if you have the building, you can get it. So that's the issue, and we were planning to.
In New Shillong?
Yes, no, that's we have already written to the urban affairs department to allocate a land for us at New Ceylon or anywhere. But however, for temporary courses, we were supposed to use a Bijni complex, but Nehu has taken up the matter with the High Court, saying challenging the ownership status of the Bijni complex. So let the court decide the matter first.
So,
That's I don't have the story detail with me, but Nehu also claiming that this is belong to the Nehu, and state government also be saying so. I don't have a detailed record with me, so maybe the Nehu has challenged the ownership of the district complex. So let the court decide now.
so the land that you are asking from campus of
Yes,
State University, and temporarily, where will this function?
we are we are exploring now. We are finding the location now from where we can start the temporary campus for the Ceylon.